Have you ever seen someone online claiming they can get Examplify exam questions before the exam date? You might find ads on Telegram, Discord, or even YouTube saying they can unlock exam files or provide answers in advance. But the big question is that actually possible? Or is it just another internet myth in bypassing online exam? In this video, we'll explain how Examplify works and why so many of these claims appear online. Examplify is exam software developed by Examsoft, and it's widely used by universities and professional programs. Its main goal is to create a secure testing environment. When you start an exam with Examplify, the system typically locks down your computer, prevents access to other applications, blocks internet access during the test, monitors activity for security purposes. The exam files are usually encrypted, meaning the Examplify exam questions stay locked until the official exam time. Because of this, accessing Examplify exam questions early is extremely difficult. Despite these protections, you'll still see people online claiming they can get Examplify exam questions in advance. Most of these claims fall into a few categories in cheating online proctored exam. First are so-called decryptor tools that claim they can unlock exam files early. Many of these tools simply don't work or are outdated. And second are websites that promise guaranteed Examplify exam answers if you pay them before the exam. Unfortunately, many students end up losing money to these fake services. But there is another way by which you can safely get your Examplify exam answers. That one is getting help from professional exam helpers like me, who have their modified version softwares and has experience of 5 years plus in bypassing any kind of proctored exam. In this method, you have to sit there in front of your PC or laptop to show that you are giving your exams. Meanwhile, my most expert person controls your laptop and does everything from picking up your Examplify exam answers to moving forward and submitting exam. You just sit and watch them doing it. I hope this helped you to decide which method can help you bypass the Examplify exam. So if you want to ace your Examplify exams with ease, I think the best solution is contacting us through the link given in the description below. And the best thing about us is that we take payments after you get your desired grades. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos about exam bypassing strategies.